Jiribam district witnessed bloodshed as fresh gunfight erupted after weeks of relative peace in the district, leading to death of 5 persons. The incident took place today morning at around 5:30 a.m. when Kuki militants entered a Meitei house in Ningthem Kuno and killed an innocent civilian who was asleep. The deceased has been identified as Y. Kulendra, aged 63 years. He was mercilessly shot point blank by Kuki militants while he was sleeping on his bed. Narrating the harrowing incident, the wife of the deceased, 43-year-old Y. Bemcha, said she was in the kitchen preparing breakfast when she heard the loud cry of her daughter who was playing at the courtyard. She saw 3 armed Kukis who barged inside their house, and in a fraction of seconds, those armed assailants shot her husband in the head. Kuki militants also reportedly took away cash worth over 10 lakh rupees and other valuable items from the victim's house.
Hawale mapana manga tang hipki ke ne hipjare adagi akoi imai chama hawalna mapanda thongna leide imai chama thabak sura chena aduge mana waisi tei tongi siga isan pisana moi ahum adi changya changak baga imung da direct hana changya hipi ba mi to hana ka pe moina
akoi mana sangkoi da mai hawala leibane ba jambak subagi ko aina sumang ji waisi leiba du moi je mi ani ka han changai ba nongmai paraga ko masang su sange ba moi jambra ado sangbu moi changak ba je ai sungji thadaraga ai kalak do nik khare ba ko dum aina do mama ko ne khangkau ko ne ko ado moi changaga machin do swan to ga pham maina hare ba ko do machin na bu harak pa nate ba ingina harak ba ado ga imung lom do mana khuche thin ba ne ko hadi changu haira kai haino sum mathong khangdre ba ko ado imung je dai changa nongmai makhon ta ba je mama na chelo aina kugi lai nongmai ka pe chelo aina du ga akhoi je yum lom da akhoi yum man na tingki le ba ko adom da gi akhoi je samban kala chelak pa ne ba du da gi
aduni moi da hoji kuki terrorist singena la ga jum da changa ga ka pare mi jum da hipcha na lei da jum da ka pare mi asiga moi da akhoi na hawira na ta kuki sing na hawrai da akhoi da adagi pochai puna maksu loina pubi na chapi khare lupa lakh tara ma pu chakre macha nupi thabak tauna bai tamak da mapa na khojin chelam bani chana su ado sarkar na tawri sibu kari no ba mai gi macha masu so ke na paja puna mak dis tumna loi do re hoji lambi langkhang na jabada phana ka padu na ka pam ni mi gi mayum da changchal laga ka padu di kari no ba moi ja
Kung mari makai doi dani moina thongari sisi da ai sida thabak suba thoi yudim takhi baga mun ma kon thole ai yun thangna ba pa se ma moi kap thok piram pangka kap maga han gire de ku jan men da hodre ning da ba danar moi uro tension la kap jane ba tension la kap ai maru se ma police no bo kholi sini ai chen bane ba du ai pan hod bai wan.
Following the incident, Meitei village volunteers reacted swiftly and exchange of gunfire ensued with those Kuki militants. Later, gunfight broke out at Rasidpur area, which is located between Nungchapi, Ningthem Kuno Meitei village and Sejang Kuki village. 3 Kuki militants were neutralized in the gunfight, while 1 Meitei village volunteer succumbed to bullet injury in the gunfight that lasted for about 1 hour. Upon hearing about the incident, Jiribam police took stock of the situation and also picked up the body of Y. Kulendra.